Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
When your GPU causes a blue screen, first capture the stop code and details. Record the exact error message and any faulting driver name shown on screen. Reboot into safe mode for a clean environment to inspect drivers and devices. Open Device Manager and look for yellow warnings or code 43 entries indicating GPU problems. Use Event Viewer to record the timestamp and faulting module name for correlation. Finally, boot normally and monitor GPU temperature and power while replicating the crash with FurMark. Power down and unplug the system before touching components to avoid shocks. Reseat the GPU in the PCIe slot and ensure the correct 6-pin or 8-pin cables are firmly connected. Inspect power connectors and swap cables to rule out a faulty lead from the PSU. If driver corruption persists, boot safe mode and run the to fully remove old GPU drivers cleanly. Reinstall the latest stable driver or a known good older version and test stability. Verify your PSU meets minimum wattage recommendations, such as 650W for many high-end GPUs. If overheating caused crashes, remove the cooler and replace thermal paste using about 0.5 grams for proper coverage. Reassemble carefully and confirm heatsink contact with the GPU die before reinstalling the card. Update the GPU firmware or motherboard BIOS only when the vendor publishes a specific fix for your symptom. Avoid experimental VBIOS unless instructed by support, since flashing risks permanent damage. Finally, run a controlled stress test like FurMark for 10 minutes while logging with GPU-Z to verify stability and watch temperatures and clock behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.